Hi everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use multiple Instagram accounts on one app. So this is the Instagram app, and actually when you are on the home page, you just need to go through your profile picture below on the bottom right side, tap on it, and you can go to the top left corner where your name is, and you need to tap on that one. And sorry, also you have another option. You can go through your picture below and hold it, tap and hold, and then you will get the same results as when you tap on your name on Instagram. So here you can switch between the accounts in one app, and you can use different accounts in 1 second of switching from account to another account. So how you can make it possible? You can go through add Instagram accounts, and then once you click on it, two options appear to you. Either you want to log into an existing account or to create a new account. It depends on you. So when you log into an existing account or creating a new account, you will get it on the same app, and you can switch to that account you just created or you just get into just by doing that same steps that I already showed you. So just by tap and hold that picture below, or just by tapping on your name on your profile, you will be able to switch to another account and to use each of them. So guys, that's how to use multiple Instagram accounts on one app. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones, and see you next video.